One USB-C port, but you need HDMI, LAN, USB devices, SD cards, audio, and even VGA. No problem. Today we're unboxing and comparing two powerful USB-C docking hubs, the 11-in-1 and the upgraded 13-in-1 model. Starting with the 11-in-1 USB-C hub. Inside the box, you'll find the hub itself, featuring a premium aluminum alloy design for better heat dissipation and durability. Now moving to the 13-in-1 version. Right away, you can notice a more advanced design, packed with additional ports and even wireless charging functionality. Both hubs are compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, making them perfect for office work, home setups, business presentations, content creators, and students. Let's take a closer look at the 11-in-1 USB-C hub. This device transforms a single USB-C port into multiple connections, including HDMI output supporting up to 4K resolution, VGA output for older monitors and projectors, Gigabit Ethernet LAN port, 4 USB ports for flash drives, keyboards, mice, printers, and other accessories, SD card reader, USB-C data port, 3.5mm audio port for headphones and speakers. This hub handles it all through one USB-C connection. It's an excellent solution for laptops that have limited ports, especially ultrabooks and modern USB-C devices. Now let's move to the more advanced 13-in-1 USB-C hub. This model includes everything most professionals need in a single device. You get HDMI output for high-resolution displays, VGA output for legacy display compatibility, Gigabit LAN port for stable wired internet, 2 USB 3.0 ports for high-speed data transfer, 3 USB 2.0 ports for keyboards, mice, and accessories, SD card slot, TF1 MicroSD card slot, USB-C power delivery charging port, and the standout feature, built-in 15-watt wireless charging pad on the top surface. Simply place your compatible smartphone on top and charge wirelessly while you work. This hub is designed for MacBooks, Chromebooks, and any laptop with USB-C output. It turns your laptop into a complete workstation while reducing cable clutter. So which one should you choose? The 11-in-1 hub is perfect if you need essential connectivity with HDMI, LAN, USB ports, card readers, and audio support. But if you want maximum functionality, extra USB ports, dual card readers, USB-C power delivery, and convenient wireless charging, both hubs are excellent tools for boosting productivity and transforming a single USB-C port into a complete desktop experience. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings.